Hello everyone, this is Travis from Geosun. Today we're going to show you how to use our incredible GS-1500N Long Range LiDAR system and also the powerful GS-L300 hexacopter drone to scan the identical mountain that is full of trees and vegetations here in town. So let's go and get started. Alright, here we are at the mission site. As you can see right behind me is the Long mountain. It has the terrain drop over 150 meters and covered full of trees and dense vegetations, especially in the summer season. So today we're gonna use the GS-1500N and also the GS-L300 drone to capture the full data of this area. So next, let's bring out all the equipment and set them up. Alright, we have all equipment for today's mission right here. The first one is GS-1500N LiDAR system. GS-1500N is a long-range LiDAR system that is designed to tackle the most challenging mapping missions, including the mountains with large terrain drops, the high-density vegetated areas, and also the large-scale mapping missions. It is integrated with the Geosun high-accuracy post systems, the G-SPIN401, and also maxed 800 detection range LiDAR sensor with 5 returns, and also a 45 megapixel full-frame camera, RGB camera. So it is a game changer to redefine the survey-grade LiDAR system in both price and performance. The second case is our base station. It is a GNSS RTK receiver. We are going to set it up as the base station. The last one is the powerful GS-L300 hexacopter drone for today's mission. And this is the main body of the drone. And we've got all the propellers right in this black case here. The powerful GS-L300 hexacopter drone is specially designed UAV platform to carry the long-range LiDAR systems. Although our GS-1500N can be mounted on the DJI M300 or our GS-850s as well, but the flight time is quite short as it weighs over 1.5 kilograms. But with this large and more powerful drone made of completely carbon fibers, as you can see, it's super light. So it is capable of flying over 16 minutes with it. All the specifications you can find right on the screen. As a matter of fact, we have been flying it with our long-range LiDAR systems for more than a year now. So its reliability and performance is largely proved by the Geosun technical team through practice. Alright, next we're going to set them up and get ready for the mission. Let's do it. We have already mounted the GS-1500N to the drone, and we already powered on for the initialization, we just need to wait like 2 or 3 minutes to let it warm up and get ready for the flight. And like any of our LiDAR systems, when the tail light start to flash regularly, we are good to take off. While we are waiting for the initialization, we can do the mission planning on the computer. Alright, the initialization is completed. Now we are ready to go. Let's fly. Alright, we got all the data. Next, we're gonna head back to the office and process all the data and check out the point cloud. Let's do it. Alright, that's pretty much everything about today's video. If you want to learn more about this long-range LiDAR system, feel free to contact us. We will see you next time.